Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and in today's clip, I know it could be this one, the second one or the third one, or actually the first video. I filmed like plenty of videos with this look. However, I'm discussing different products. And if you're already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you definitely are familiar with this type of content. Basically, I do a full face and then I review each product that I used on my face separately in order for you to, have a short video, concise, about one product or one range of products in the same collection, if that makes sense. We are discussing today the collection Lasting Perfection Lasting Perfection, that's the concealer, which I need to buy myself one because I haven't used that one in ages. Like, I did not repurchase it. This is the Glam Crystal Dazzling Gel Eyeliners. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. These that I have in my hands today are from older collections. When I went to Boots/Superdrug, I've noticed they changed their colors. However, I tested them out on my hands. It is the same formula, it is the same thing. It's just they kind of like decided to do different colors into the collection. So I'm literally discussing with you, the consistency, how they look on my eyes. I actually have them on my eyes. So if you're interested into what I feel about this, then definitely keep on watching and subscribe, because like I said, I do this series where I talk about only one product and I specify whether it's a first impression or I used it, for a long time, which these ones, I have them for a long time since they are from older collections. I have 4 shades here for the sake of making sure maybe they did brought back or they have them on their website and maybe they don't have them available necessarily on, Superdrug, Boots, whatever. I have shade 6, Night Fever. I have shade 4, Hustle. I have shade 11, Shake It Up. And lastly, I have the shade 15, Dig It. So today I only did not use Dig It 15, which is this goldeny black glittery eyeliner, but the rest I have them on my eyes. So Hustle, I have it on my brow bone. I dispersed it in order to not get a cast. So I tapped it in, and yeah, I really love this one for accents in my inner corner and my brow bone. When it comes to the other 2 blue shades, basically I used Shake It Up as a base and like an eyeliner all the way to my lash line and so on and so forth. And then I applied the other blue shade, Night Fever, to give a slightly more dimension only on my eyelid, and I did not drag it all the way to the end of the tail. So you can mix them up to create different variations of glitteriness, if that's a word. And they have a very, very thin, this is actually a bit fucked up, not gonna lie, but they really do have a very thin line, or spoolie, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you on this one because you can see it. This is not as messed up as the other one. Each of them has 6 milliliters, and I'm pretty sure I paid £2 or £3 on each. And let me tell you, I am shocked because they are really good. I'm gonna insert now some swatches of each of them. The first shade is Hustle, and it has very rainbowy glitter into it, and it also has a clear base. The second one is Night Fever, and it's purely, again, based on clear gel with glitter, and it's very one-dimensional, so it only has 1 blue shade into it. While the next one, which is called Shake It Up, it actually has multi-chrome kind of like glitter, and it also has a blue base to it. It's not mixed with clear gel, and you will see when I take it off, you can see the staining, because yeah, it stains a teeny tiny bit. And the last that I did not use at all on my eyes is Dig It, and this again is based on a clear base with glitter, which is gold and actually black glitter that is not that sparkly. The black one is more the gold that is taking off the show. I feel all of them are insane. I think they are very glittery. They do dry down very nicely. They don't go crazy. You can see them on my eyes. They are very sparkly. I hopefully, you know, I hope you can properly see it onto the camera, but in real life, especially with the ring light, especially with that, they are very reflective and nice, and they don't feel wonky on your eyes, like thick. They really are good quality for the price, and I really genuinely love them. Although these shades might not be available anymore, because I tried to find the golden with black glitter into it and I couldn't, because one of my best friends really wanted it and I couldn't find it anymore for her, which was sad. But the formula is still the same, because like I said, I tried them on my hand and they literally feel the same. Like there's no misunderstanding when it comes to glitter liners. I feel like if I try them in the shop only on my hands instead of my eyes, like literally I don't feel they change the formula, but just the glitters into it. If you're not already subscribed, then definitely do it. I post weekly at least one video. I actually post more lately than a video, but usually if I can't, you know, upload more than a video, I at least have one. So without further ado, I hope this information was by any means useful and relevant, and fingers crossed I'll see you within the next one. Bye.